Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nandooscookbook. Today's recipe is spicy and delicious mushroom curry. Preparation is very simple. Let's not wait and let's get started. Take 250 grams of cleaned mushroom. Blanch it for blanching. Heat water. Once the water starts boiling, add mushroom pieces into it. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes and drain off the water. Now to the same pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the oil and ghee heats, add 1 large onion finely chopped. Stir it till onion turns transparent. Once the onion turns transparent, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Once the coriander seeds changes color, add 3 dry red chilies and finely chopped tomatoes. I have taken 1 large tomato. Stir it and cook till it turns soft. Cook it in low flame. Once the tomatoes turn soft, add 2 half-inch cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves. Cook it for 2 minutes and turn off the flame. Let it cool completely. Once it cools completely, transfer it into mixer jar. To these ingredients, add cashews soaked in lukewarm milk for I have taken 8 to 10 cashews. Close the lid and blend it into fine paste. Heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add finely chopped onion. Saute it and cook till the onion turns golden, light golden. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell goes. Once the onion turns light golden, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and saute it. Cook it in low to medium flame. Now add the blended masala into it. Stir it. Add enough water. And cook till the oil floats. Cook it in low to medium flame. Add half teaspoon of salt. Now add blanched mushroom into gravy. Stir it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, stir it and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. The delicious and spicy mushroom curry is almost done. turn off the flame and garnish it with coriander leaves. This recipe goes well with roti, rice, chapati. So friends, try out this yummy recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandooscookbook for more delicious recipes.